Gamer, Jane and Jalix, whatever you want to call me. I'm Mama Gamer. Today we are doing a bonfire night, seeing as it is bonfire night, but we did a bonfire night a few days ago at our church. Anyway, today, yes, not me, we have made a
bonfire party.
Bonfire party.
There it is. Should we go?
Right. Should I just show them around?
Yeah, no, let's just go to the bonfire party. We can do the rest another time. Let's go and see the bonfire party, because it is bonfire night. Although, oh my goodness, I keep walking through torches.
Just jump over the fence, otherwise the villagers will get
I'm going to fly over. Whee! So, there we go. We're in the paddock.
And over here is a load
random
of
sheep.
But...
Over here is the world's biggest bonfire! Woo! There it is from above!
With a load of logs on the back.
Ready to burn. You see where Rhino Gamer is?
Yeah.
Do you want to make it night?
Yeah, let's
look better in a minute. Oh, should we show them around quickly first before it gets too dark?
It's fine. I can send it
okay.
night.
Yeah, but... Oh, okay.
Right.
Barbecue, anybody?
BBQ? Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. We haven't got our tickets yet.
Oh, yeah, we need tickets.
Yeah, there's the table where you get your tickets. There's a really angry-looking villager there. Hello. Hello, Rhino. Rainy. Then over here...
I will give you your ticket. Wait, let me give you a ticket.
Really? This has got to be quite a quick video.
There you go.
Ah, thank you so much. Good. Lovely. I've got a ticket, but I've got no space to pick it up, so that's all good.
In here is BBQ.
Big barbecue made by Mr. Rhiney himself. What are you doing, Rhiney boy? Then over here, oh, I like this. Right, I'm going to go around here, and Mr. Rhino Gamer can demonstrate everything. So, what was in these? I can't remember.
Oh, those are ketchup pots.
Oh, ketchup pots. And then down here, he's made some dispensers for apple juice and orange juice.
Would you like some orange juice or some apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Apple juice sends you hyper, really jumpy, and orange juice makes you so you can't burn yourself.
I think I'll have some orange juice, please.
I think that's orange juice.
Ooh, I think I just picked it up without even people seeing it. Okay. Is that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
And then just put it in the inventory and then drink it.
Okay.
There's your OJ.
What do I do with it again?
Just like break the air.
Oh yeah. Are you sure?
You hold.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Anyway.
Drank my OJ. Right, over here. Big bonfire in the dark. Are you skipping, Rhiney? Oh, look. Here's the health and safety tent. With the dog tied up here.
Called Opal.
There she is. Good old Opal. Excellent. Over here. Look, there's the health and safety man in his high-vis jacket. Good work. Holding a very nice bucket of water there. Good safety fence around the bonfire there. Hang on. Where are you? Oh, there.
David Fletcher.
So you are. Look at that. Oh, the health and safety rhino. Right. I think it's time for the fireworks. Let's have the fireworks.
Stand back, people. Stay there.
Stay here. Look up at the sky, maybe. That'd be a good idea.